Diabetes isn't just one thing, it's two very different journeys inside the same body. Meet Lily. She's got type 1 diabetes. And that's Mr. Bill. He's managing type 2. Diabetes happens when your body can't unlock its cells to let sugar in, like having the wrong key or no key at all. That special key is made by the pancreas, a super helpful organ that's always working behind the scenes. In type 1, Lily's immune system got mixed up and attacked her pancreas. So now she doesn't have the key at all. With type 2, Mr. Bill's body still makes the key, but the locks on his cells are jammed. Type 1 usually shows up early. It's your immune system misfiring. Type 2 sneaks in later, often caused by lifestyle and genes. They manage differently. Lily uses insulin, while Mr. Bill tracks food and meds. Both types come with signs: thirst, bathroom trips, tiredness. The body tries to say, hey, something's up. When sugar spikes hit, Lily uses insulin, and Mr. Bill blocks with diet and exercise. Living with diabetes takes planning, whether you're a kid like Lily or a grown-up like Mr. Bill. Diabetes isn't caused by eating too much candy. It's way more complicated than that. Thankfully, people like Nurse K help explain what's going on and how to take care of it. Choosing the right fuel helps keep blood sugar steady. Exercise boosts energy and helps insulin work better. It's like a secret superpower. Smart tools like pumps, sensors, and apps help Lily and Mr. Bill stay one step ahead. It's important to recognize the signs and act fast. Juice, alerts, and knowing what to do saves the day. No one handles diabetes alone. Support makes the journey easier and a lot more joyful. Every day brings new tools, new hope, and brighter paths ahead. Type 1 or type 2, you're not alone. You've got this.